Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on CLOV. I've talked about them a couple times here on the channel. Last time I talked about them was on the 17th. There's a couple more articles here, some more information on them. So this is CLOV Health Investments, currently at 865. You can see this one's been up and down all over the place, up to 17. Went back down to the $7, $8 range, down to the $6, almost $7 range. Had a nice run up here in June to 22.15, and ever since then it's just been coming down. Here's a look at the last 3 months. There's the nice spike that had. Here's a look over the last month. So like I said, just up and down one day to the next. So if you're looking for one to trade, this might be it. If you could trade it right, you could probably make some money with this one. Had a dip here at 7.44 and then kind of run up here in the last week, so if you would have bought it there. And here's a look at today. So it looks like it ran up and then just kind of dropped off, so I don't know if that's profit taking or what's going on there, but this one is kind of all over the place, like I said, so it's volatile. So if you're looking to get in this one, be careful with it. So if you don't know what this one is, it's provides healthcare insurance services, uses this proprietary technology platform to collect, structure, and analyze health and behavioral data to improve medical outcomes and lower costs for patients. Again, Clover Health Systems, ticker is CLOV. I don't have any of this one currently at this point in time, and I've looked into trading it, but just been too busy at work, so kind of forgot about it and didn't pay attention to it, but might have to start watching it. This was founded in 2014, 37.21 million average shares being traded, and a $3.58 billion market cap. Here's a look at their earnings. Last was estimated at 13 cents and negative, and actual was negative 78 cents per share. So looks like I tried buying some here at $8.20 a share. So, but got some information here. This is actually a new feature that I found here. It's kind of interesting. When I look up some information here on Bing, this has got an analyst rating on it now, so it's kind of interesting. Based on 3 analysts as of 8/19. 1 at a hold and 2 is going towards the sell, so it looks like they're saying to sell this one. But Clover Health Investments Corp continues to point downwards. This is just dated yesterday on the 24th. So the price closed on Tuesday the 24th, jumping 2.83% above the previous close. A look at today's price movement shows that the recent level at the last check reads $8.12, with intraday deals fluctuating between $7.69 and $8.24. Taking into account the 52-week price action, we note that the stock hit a 52-week high of $28.85 and a 52-week low of $6.31. Stock added 0.87% on its value in the past month, so not too great of a return, but like I said, if you could trade this one on a daily basis, you might be doing alright as long as you trade it right. But here's kind of a look at some earnings per share. So I'm just going to scroll through that information. You can find all this right on the stockregister.com. Moving on here, Clover Health System Investments Corp. Can it make a huge gain? This is dated also yesterday. So in the last day of trading, 15.87 million Clover Health Investment Corp. shares changed hands as the company's beta touched zero. With the company's per share price at $8.12 changing hands at 37 cents or 4.77%. During the last session, the market valuation stood at $3.25 billion. CLOV's last price was a discount, traded at minus 255.3% off of its 52-week high of $28.85. Share price hit a 52-week low of $6.31, which suggests the last value was 22.29% up since then. So you can see the volatility going on with this one. So like I said, if you're looking to get into this one, not that I give tax, legal, or trading advice, just be careful with this one, as you can see the volatility in it. CLOVERHEALTH Investments announces extension of redemption date for outstanding warrants, and this is just dated here today. So it just kind of goes over some warrants. You can find all this right on Yahoo Finance. So on July 22nd, the company announced it would redeem all of its outstanding public warrants to purchase shares of the company's common stock, par value 0.00001 per share of the common stock that issued under the warrant agreement, dated April 21st, 2020. And just going to scroll through the rest of that information. Like I said, you can find all that right on Yahoo Finance. Over here on Reddit, just keep digging the hole. Hedgy F. So, CLOV is on the verge of a technical breakout. Comparison to run up in May. Chart included. Explanation. Daily candles look identical to May's pre-breakout, including today's red candle. Breaking point is $9.59. Over here on StockTwits, currently at 873, low of 631, high of 2885. Over 90% already exercise. CLOV when upgrades Lambo, a little Joker action. Wonder if the Fed will crash the market again this week. Use margin. Not much other information in there. Over here on StockTwits, currently at 873. This is showing a moderate sell with a 8.82% upside to 950. High of 10, low of 9. If you have CLOVERHEALTH investments, go ahead and list that in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you have on Clover. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.